Весь покрытый зеленью, абсолютно весь. Остров невезения в океане есть. Остров невезения в океане есть. Весь покрытый зеленью, абсолютно весь. Там живут несчастные люди-дикари, на лицо ужасные, добрые внутри. На лицо ужасные, добрые внутри. Там живут несчастные люди-дикари. Что они не делают, не идут дела. Видно, в понедельник их мама родила. Видно, в понедельник их мама родила. Что они делают, не идут дела. Крокодил не ловится, не растет кокос. Плачет Богу молится, не жалея слез. Плачет Богу молится, не жалея слез. Крокодил не ловится, не растет кокос. Вроде не бездельники и могли бы жить. Им по понедельнике взять и отменить. Им по понедельнике взять и отменить. Вроде не бездельники и могли бы жить. Как назло на острове нет календаря. Ребятня и взрослые пропадают зря. Ребятня и взрослые пропадают зря. На проклятом острове нет календаря. По такому случаю ночи до зари плачут невезучие люди-дикари. И рыдают бедные, и клянут беду. В день какой неведомо, в никаком году. Рыдают бедные и клянут беду. В день какой неведомо, в никаком году.
Мал-помал ты привыкал, но ты уши затыкал, мал-помал ты привыкал, Я готовила еду с лебедою череду, ты давился и икал, мал-помал ты привыкал, Я сказала, очень мало, мал-помал ты привыкал, Вместо ласки слышишь лай, только деньги ей давай. Он и плакал, и рыдал, мал-помал привыкал,
Everyone considered him the coward of the county. Never stood one single time to prove the county wrong. His mama called him Tommy, but folks just called him Yellow. Something always told me they were reading Tommy wrong. Now, he was only 10 years old when his daddy died in prison, and I took care of Tommy 'cause he wasn't my brother's son. I still recall the final words my brother said to Tommy: "Son, my life is over, but yours has just begun. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Now it don't mean you're weak if you turn the other cheek, and I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. There's someone for everyone." Tommy's love was Becky. In her arms he didn't have to prove he was a man. One day while he was working, the Gatlin boys came calling. They took turns at Becky, and there were 3 of them. Tommy opened up the door, saw his Becky crying. The torn dress, the shattered look was more than he could stand. He reached above the fireplace, took down his daddy's picture. As the tears fell on his daddy's face, I heard these words again.
I got my feet so wound up and she's running like never before. Now there's a speed zone ahead, all right. I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got me 10 forward gears and the Georgia overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. I just passed a Jimmy and a White. I've been passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some of the guys. I could find one to hold me tight, but I could never make believe it's alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, the ICC's are checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight and that logbook is way behind. Oh, but nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge all the scales all right. 6 days on the road and now we're gonna make it home tonight.